Hi, today I'm with me Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, click here to open the app, tap to yes, I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now we can see here information about our device battery temperature. In my case that's 23 and 9 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.